and D. And this week, your host is Patricia Garcia.
Hello everyone, welcome to B&D, short for Baking and Decorating. I am your host Patricia, and today we are going to learn a simple cake recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you will need is cake mix. You can literally get this at any store. There's different kinds, different flavors, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, but I decided to be a little fun and get funfetti. So you need that. You will also need some oil, eggs, and some water. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and you need a bowl to mix it all together. So you need to open this up and put the cake mix in the bowl first. So I brought scissors to make it a little bit easier. So first, get the mix into the bowl. There we go. And then you need 1 cup of water. So usually, sometimes I actually use milk. I feel like it makes it more like creamier and like a better texture to it. But for this case, we're going to be using water. But you can use milk if you want. It's literally up to you what you want to do. So 1 cup of water. And then we are going to be using a 1/2 cup of oil. So you put it all in there. And then you need 3 eggs. So let's get our eggs. So 1. Make sure you don't get the shells in there, because that wouldn't be that good. So there's 1. There is 2. And then 3. And once you have all of that in there, you're going to grab your whisk and you are going to mix it up. So first you want to start off slow. And then it can get a little bit messy. But the key thing to this is you need to make sure that everything is blended nice and good. Make sure you get the sides. So usually what I like to do is kind of like tilt the bowl, and then this is also kind of a little bit of a workout. So you just mix it all together. Like I said, the main goal is to try to get the sides of it, mix it all good. You don't want to get the flour mix to get on the sides or anything. Make sure it's all blended very well, nice and neat. So once it is like you want it, it should look something like this. And then I forgot to mention that before, you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grab a pan like this. You can literally buy this at any store as well. And put some of this non-stick cooking spray. Put it in there so that way it doesn't stick to the pan whenever you make it. So yeah, this is a simple recipe that you can make for like a birthday, or you can make it holiday themed, whatever kind you'd like. So let's mix it one more time just to make sure that we can get around the sides and everything. But yeah, this is the first part to it. Whenever we get back from commercial, we will decorate it, and we will make it all cute and stuff. So stay tuned until after the commercial break.
Have the answer. I was going to ask you to come up and write it on the board. I know the answer.
Arthritis is a joint disease that causes an inability to do normal daily activities.
I saw you were in pain. I think I have something for you.
Oh, thank you so much. I wanted to give this back to you. I don't need it anymore. No arthritis spray has saved my life. Thank you.
Good to hear.
Alrighty, welcome back to the show. So before commercial break, we mix all of the ingredients together to bake the cake. So you should leave it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then once it's like golden brown or however you prefer it, you let it cool for about, I let it cool for about 15 minutes. So it should look like something similar to this. And then, so now we're going to decorate the cake. So what you need is some type of icing, kind of like the cake mix. You can find it anywhere, any store. So there's different flavors as well, but we're using the rich and creamy vanilla flavor. And then to top it all off, I'm going to be using some sprinkles. Literally, there's so many different kinds. So this is literally all you need. Also, you need like a spatula to like spread it. So let's go ahead and open this. And then you want to grab some. So the key thing is grab a lot for the top and just spread it all around it. I always start at the top first, but the top requires a little bit more icing than the sides do. So just spread it all out evenly. So my favorite part about eating a cake is actually the icing. So I like a lot of icing, but it's whatever you will like. So there you go. Now to get the sides, you might want to like grab a little bit of icing first, just kind of spread it all around. You could also grab a smaller one. That way it makes it a little bit easier for you, if you would like. So yeah, so just get it all around the cake, all around the sides. Make sure it doesn't have to be perfect, although I am a perfectionist, so if we had a lot of time, I would actually make it all perfect and stuff, but so just get it all around the sides. Yeah, since the holidays are coming up, Christmas is coming up, so this can be an easy cake that you can make. There you go, we're almost there. So just make sure you cover it all up. So I like a lot at the top, so we're gonna put more at the top. Just spread it evenly. So then just check it to make sure that you got every little part of it. All right, so then once it's how you want it, we are gonna add sprinkles to it. And it's kind of up to you how many you like. We're just gonna go do it all around. Some. The more the better, okay? All right, so this is the final product, and if you would like to get this recipe or more recipes, you can visit our website, which is www.bdfoods.com, and you can get this recipe. There's a lot of other recipes in there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you enjoy making it. If you make it, make sure you enjoy it. And yeah, thank you so much. I didn't know what to say at the
Have the answer. I was going to ask you to come up and write it on the board.
Oh, I know the answer.
Arthritis is a joint